In this lesson, we'll learn how to use a single sketch for doing multiple extrusions. First, we'll select the Extrude tool and this sketch here. Because we've got multiple contours and regions, Solidworks has automatically activated the Selected Contours area. I'm going to select the outside contour and reverse the extrusion direction. Here we'll enter a value of 2 millimeters. Let's leave the direction blind and accept. Now I'm going to create a second extrusion. We select the Extrude tool and the same sketch. Now let's select the outside and inside contours. This time we'll enter a value of 10 millimeters and accept it. Lastly, let's select the Extrude tool again and the same sketch. Now I'm going to select a number of regions. As you can see, when I drag my mouse over a region, Solidworks highlights it. I'm going to select this region, this one here, and this one here. We're going to insert a value of 1 millimeter this time and accept it. Now we have our part created from a single sketch using multiple extrusions.